Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an exciting math quest. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 122, which is 1. We can't divide 1 by 2 yet, so we carry it over. How many times does 2 fit into 1? 0 times, so we write 0 above the 1. 0 times 2 is 0. We write 0 below the 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. Great start, you're doing awesome. Now, let's bring down the next digit 2 to make our new number 12. We've got 12 now. Look at that, a bigger number. We bring down the next digit 2 and join it with our remainder 1 to make 12. How many times does 2 fit into 12? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We write 12 below our 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Our remainder is 0. Woohoo, you're crushing it, halfway there. Let's bring down the last digit 2 to see what we have next. Last step, we have the number 2. We bring down the last digit 2 and join it with our remainder 0 to make 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 below our 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We have no remainder left. Amazing, you solved it. You're a math superstar. And that's the end of our division journey for 122 divided by 2. We did it. And there you have it. 122 divided by 2 equals 61. Great job, everyone. We've successfully divided 122 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be handled with patience and a little bit of math magic. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today's division adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Keep those math skills sharp.